Lens maintenance is essential for photography enthusiasts. Today, Yusuda recommends two ultra-fine lens cleaning wipes, Kanebo HITECLOTH and Terezi lens cleaning cloths. First is Kanebo HITECLOTH. This cleaning wipes uses Belima Xfabric with a fiber diameter of only 0.1 denier. It is made of the pronunciation of 70 polyester fiber and the pronunciation of 30 nylon. Next is Terezi Clean Room Wipes. This cleaning wipes uses Terezi patented fiber with a fiber diameter of only 2 microns. It can penetrate deep into the oil film and use microfiber technology to capture oil and dust for one-time cleaning. HITECLOTH is suitable for daily dust removal, and its soft feel makes me feel at ease to use it to wipe the lens. Terezi is always good at cleaning oil stains and has better results. If you're looking for a higher cleaning effect, you can always try X cleaning wipes, which is specially used in LC and Fiera production processes. Its powerful cleaning ability is worth looking forward to. Choosing the right cleaning wipes is essential for lens maintenance. I hope this sharing is helpful to you. Welcome to share your experience in the comment area.